From the Poly Theater in Shanghai, broadcast worldwide with the Jotting Orchestra, UFI Group Chairman Mr. Giorgio Girondi. An extraordinary message for all nations.
Dear authorities, ambassadors, and friends, a few months ago I was appointed by the European Community as an advisor between Europe and Italy for the relation with China. Inspired by this, we decided to compose these songs together with UFI. Perhaps the most important thing we are missing right now is peace. Let's take a moment to listen.
UFI dreams peace for every nation. This is our hope for all the world to see. Let there be love and joy to every person. Let there be peace on earth, unity.
发自人民心中，从上海到北京，中国人从未侵略过其他民族。我们希望我们团结合作。欧菲将这首歌分享给全世界，这是我们的梦想。欧菲梦想看到这变化，整个世界和平和团结。UFI dreams, peace for every nation. This is our hope. For all the world to see. Let there be love and joy to every person. Let there be peace on earth, unity.
Abbiamo un grande sogno, speriamo che avverrà. Finiscano i conflitti ed armonia sarà. Italia con la Cina spera nella pace e che tutto il mondo torni all'unità. Se lo vogliamo noi possiamo farlo, sai. Torneremo uniti più che mai. UFI dreams, peace for every nation is our hope. For all the world to see, let there be love. And joy to every person, let there be peace on earth, unity. Let there be peace, let there be love, let there be joy, unity. Let there be peace, let there be love, let there be joy for you and me. Unity, oh, UFI dreams, peace for every nation is our hope. For all the world to see, let there be love and joy to every person. Let there be peace on earth, unity. Let there be love and joy in every person. Let there be peace on earth, unity. Let there be peace on earth.